Samsung is cooking up something wild, something that could redefine what we expect from a tech launch. A fresh teaser image just dropped, and it's got the entire tech world buzzing. Shared by trusted insider at CrowRow, the image hints at a wave of next-gen Samsung devices, but it's not what's in the picture. It's what might be hiding in plain sight. At first glance, sure, there's what looks like a familiar foldable silhouette, very likely the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Sleek, sharp, classic Samsung. But wait, what's that in the center? A wider, more complex outline. That's no ordinary foldable. It looks like a tri-folding phone. And now, many believe it's the long-rumored Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra, an absolute beast with a revolutionary design that expands into something way beyond what we've seen before. 3 panels, endless possibilities. It's not just a phone anymore, it's a portable future. And that's just the beginning. To the right of the image, there's a shape that screams headset, possibly Samsung's long-awaited XR device, rumored to be built alongside Google and Qualcomm. And with Apple's Vision Pro heating up the space, Samsung stepping in now? That's no coincidence. It's a statement. But the real twist comes at the far end of the teaser. Sleek, slim smart glasses, maybe Samsung's first real leap into AI-powered wearables. We're talking augmented reality, real-time overlays, on-the-go productivity. Just imagine walking around with Galaxy AI whispering answers into your day. All signs point to one thing. This isn't just another unpacked event. It's Samsung swinging for the fences. Z Fold 7, a possible Trifold Ultra, a full-blown XR headset, and smart glasses all ready to crash into reality this late July or early August. If this leak's legit, we're looking at one of the most visionary, game-changing launches Samsung's ever done. And yes, the Fold 7 and Flip 7 are part of this future. Leak after leak has spilled the details. Same 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabyte storage tiers, but the colorways? Fresh. Flip 7 is coming in black, blue, and a bold coral red. Fold 7? Black, silver, and a cool blue shadow finish that just sounds premium. And the rumored Flip Fan Edition? Clean black and white with more affordable storage tiers at 128 and 256 gigs. Samsung might even bring back bespoke customization and online-only exclusive colors, but that's still under wraps. Either way, personal style is about to meet powerful tech. Now let's talk about that Fold 7 teaser. Samsung officially released, it says a lot without saying much. A shiny new frame, possibly titanium. Taller design, thinner corners, glossier finish, and a new silhouette that clearly separates it from last year's Fold 6. This one doesn't just fold, it stands out. They even called it an ultra experience, and that's no small choice of words. That branding has always been reserved for the best of the best. Leaks confirm Samsung's packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip. Yep, the top-tier SM8750, turning the Fold 7 into a pocket powerhouse ready for next-gen AI, console-grade gaming, and multitasking so smooth you might just forget what lag feels like. It's been certified. It's official. The Fold 7 isn't just fast, it's ferocious. But it doesn't stop there. A brand new AI-driven multi-mobile search is built into the camera app. This isn't just taking pictures. This is your foldable understanding your world, reacting to it. Point it at something, and it knows. It gets it. It responds. Like the phone has instincts. Think about that. A foldable with a brain. And visually, the Fold 7 is about to ruin every other screen for you. The leaked display specs? 8.2-inch foldable AMOLED 120Hz, and an outer cover screen that's 6.5 inches of FHD plus fluidity. Both panels? Sharp, bright, silky smooth. Wrapped in a chassis so thin, so lightweight, it almost looks like a regular slab when folded. And yes, S Pen is sticking around, so whether you're sketching, signing, or swiping, it's ready. Now here's where Samsung really flexes. One UI 8 is debuting with this beast, and it's built on Android 16. Early testers are already raving about the new lock-to-home glow transition. You unlock your phone, and the wallpaper glides like a pulse. Fluid, elegant. It's not just a UI, it's a vibe. These new 7-style wallpapers? They glow, they breathe, they move with you. Every swipe feels intentional. Every unlock feels alive. And it gets even crazier, because the camera game is on a different level. 200-megapixel main shooter, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, plus a 10-megapixel cover camera and a 4-megapixel under-display cam for full-screen calls and selfies. If photography is your thing, Fold 7 is about to make your DSLR jealous. So what about the design? One word, evolution. It's taking cues from the Fold Special Edition. Wider outer display, ultra-slim profile, reinforced hinge, dust-resistant brushes? And that hinge? The leaker Panda Flash Pro says it's so thin, when closed, the Fold 7 looks almost indistinguishable from a regular phone. Foldables used to look futuristic. Now they look normal. That's how far we've come. And the battery? Still 4,400 milliamp hour, but with upgraded tech for better endurance. This isn't like the S25 Edge, which looked cool but took heat for sacrificing battery life. Samsung learned. This time, they're doing thin without cutting power. Now here's the real kicker. Samsung's teaser campaign just exploded. The latest trailer hinted at something huge, a reimagined camera experience powered by Galaxy AI. They're teasing intelligence in the lens. A camera that thinks, reacts, predicts. This isn't an upgrade. It's a leap. We're also hearing whispers. Z Flip Fan Edition might make a surprise debut too. With an Exynos 2500 chip and a full outer display that gives Moto Razr vibes? Let's just say, things are about to get wild. And get this, FCC filings have locked in specs. 5G, Wi-Fi 7, UWB, wireless and reverse wireless charging, flagship across the board. This phone isn't playing catch-up. It's leading. Samsung knows this is more than a phone. It's a statement. And they're not stopping with just the Fold 7. July 13th is shaping up to be a full-on Samsung storm. Expect the Z Flip 7, the Watch 8 series, and yeah, maybe even a few surprises they've kept under wraps. The Watch 8 Classic already leaked on eBay with a full 360-degree preview. It's clean, it's bold, and it's ready to launch. From 2019's first Fold to now, look at the jump. We've gone from fragile prototypes to pocket-sized monsters that fold, flex, and feel like the future. But Samsung's next move, it's not just refining the foldable, it's redefining what a phone even is. So let's be clear, the Fold 7 isn't just a foldable. It's Samsung's answer to every critic who said the foldable dream was fading. It's lighter, smarter, more refined. And when July hits, Samsung won't just launch a new phone. They'll launch a new standard. So buckle up, because this isn't the end of the wave. This is the moment the wave crashes and changes everything.